So at the Hunting Fishing Expo, classic. Spring Getty. I think I will. Man, there's a good one. Just checking it out. Look at the folks. We got a bloody Bo Howie. Blow gunning. Oh, real blow gun right there. That's what I need. Somebody in the butt. I want y'all to just get a look at this tractor, okay? You come from a guy that does this stuff every day. We cut about almost all these parts. I know we cut this part right here. This one right here. And this part. I ain't one for boats, but this low right here looks alright. More storage. And this John boat, I mean, multi-purpose. Fishing. Big open floor. I've been need me a new reel, and here it is. What you think? Finally found the place. Here's I got the Whopper Ploppers. The D-bombs. And they got the reels and rods. Oh, Jake Robinson. That's my camera too. Hey, there's my Facebook page for barbecue if y'all need barbecue in town.
Oh, really?
Anytime. Yeah. Uh-huh.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
How's it going, Dave? You doing
Good. He's always all about the fish. He's going pretty good.
good?
Ready? 1, 2, 3. All right.
Say, the number one rule is there are no rules.
There are no rules.
Thank you, buddy. Have a good day.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Just getting something signed. And then this is.
Did he sign it good?
Yeah.
Bye. Did he sign your thing?
Hey guys, what's going on? It's Jimmy. Just gonna put a end video on this little video from today from the Hunting and Fishing Classic in Rainsville. $7 to get in. It's at the Agri Center in Rainsville. If you're into hunting and fishing, you're outdoorsy, there's a lot of stuff up there you can get your hands on. They had a lot of hunting stuff. They didn't have much fishing. I was hoping they had more kayaks there. That way I could, start or be looking at some kayaks. I'm wanting to get a new kayak, but there wasn't none there, so there wasn't nothing to look at. So that was a bummer. They had some fishing stuff. I looked at some Shimano reels that were really, really nice. I might go back tomorrow and get one. They were real nice, but I can find them. I know where somewhere else has them too. I want to check the price on them first before I jump on the ones they had. They had them marked down pretty good. But I went up there. Me and Mom walked around, looked at everything. It's something to do. Get out and do something. Put the Agri Center to business. Comment below what you think on the Agri Center. Do you think that they should start booking small concerts in there or something? I do. I think it should be put to better use than just rodeos. It brings some revenue to town, especially just after, a lot of people ain't with it, but Henniger just went wet. So if I had to guess, Rainsville's going to be the next town to go. They're going to go next. I mean, they're going to see that Henniger's doing well with it, and they're going to say, well, let's try it out. I mean, that's all they can do. And once they do that, they would be able to sell alcohol in the building. So, and then you have a concert there. It's gonna make money. I mean, it's just all there is to it. I just wish that they would book some more stuff in there. So comment below if you think they should or they shouldn't. I mean, either way, without alcohol sales or with alcohol sales, I just think they should start doing it with or without. I mean, because it's a perfect place to have a concert. I mean, I don't know how many people you could put in there, but a good bit. Some of these small upcoming artists is something. Today is the first time I've ever been in the Agri Center. A lot of people's telling me that they've been in there. The only thing that's the con about the Agri Center is it's an agriculture center. So it's dirt in there and it's really dusty. Like I had my jersey on today and I brushed into a wall and I got dirt all over it just by running into the wall. So that's about the only con I have to it. So don't wear this like I did today. But it's Saturday. It's football day. Go Noles. Get it right. Fear the spear. Went up there. Had fun. Met Jace Robinson. Real cool dude. He was real friendly. I mean, he's just a normal person. People get excited about celebrities coming in close to where we're at. He didn't even have nobody walk him in. He walked in himself. I mean, he's just a normal person. People need to realize that about celebrities. So, but anyway, I just wanted to put a little thing on the end of this video because it's kind of a short video. Make it a little bit longer. And make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. And don't forget about my giveaway I'm doing a giveaway on October 19th. You got to comment on my video. Sorry about moving the camera. I got to look at something. October 19th. You have to go on my last video, the Kenny concert video, and you have to comment on it. You have to like and comment on it. And once you do that, you're entered in for my giveaway the 19th. Whatever names are on the comments, putting them in a hat, drawing. The giveaway is a where'd I go? Frankie Ballard CD, brand new CD. Just comment on it and get you a free CD. And when I draw the name, I'll email you, let you know you won, and I'll send it to you. And if you live close enough, I'll just bring it to you. All right, but thanks for watching Jack's Family and Friends. What else can I say, man? Thank you for all the people that subscribe. If you're watching this, make sure if you're watching the video and you like the video, click that thumbs up. Don't take a second. Just boop, boop. That means a lot to me. Just take the second and hit that like button, please. And take it easy. We got some football to watch here in about 15 minutes, and that's just how it is. Saturday, and that's all there is to it. Thank you.